everybody, welcome to a new episode of Food and the Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Now on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I can tell you that I am still on the Oriental tip. Oh yeah, because today I am going to cook stir-fried beef noodles with Hoisin sauce and choy, which I'm gonna serve with rice. And in the entire history of this channel, I don't think that I've ever cooked beef. No, not as a sole dish. Just an FYI. Anyway, I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the information box below the video for your convenience. So without further ado, let us continue. Okay guys, so what I have here is my choy. And choy is a leafy type vegetable related to your pak choy and your bok choy and all of that. And I love it. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna remove the leaves from the stems because as you can see, the stems are very thick. They're very chewy and you don't want to eat that. I know some people eat the stems, but I don't. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the leaves from the stems. Then I'm going to wash the vegetables. I'm going to chop them up. And then I'm going to give you the visual accordingly. Okay guys, so this is what the choy looks like. I removed the leaves from the stems. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop these into nice chunks. So my choy was just washed. It is now ready to be stir-fried. Alright you guys, what I have here are my beef strips, which I've seasoned with some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some lemon pepper. What I have here is my onion, a large one that I've thinly sliced. Over here, I have 2 cloves of garlic and a piece of fresh ginger. Okie dokie you guys, you know the drill by now. I'm about to turn on the cooker hood and that's gonna make some noise, but what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna heat some vegetable oil in my wok. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna saute my onions and my garlic and the meat and everything, but I'm gonna walk you through step by step. And that is the sound of my beautiful cooker hood, which is sucking out all of the fumes from my home, which I love. So next what I'm gonna do, I am going to saute the onions. Okay, so my onions have taken on some color. And what I'm going to add next are the garlic and the ginger. And after about a minute of continuous stirring, you add the meat. You give that a nice stir also. Now when the meat is completely seared, you want to add the Hoisin sauce. You give it a nice stir. And after about a minute or two, you add a droplet of water. Just like so. Ooh, honey, this is looking good. And beef strips generally don't take long to cook. Just an FYI. Now guys, what we're gonna add next is a little bit of sesame oil. Just like that. The sesame oil is gonna take it all the way home. Alright, now let me subject this to a taste test. Yaman. Next what we're gonna add are the vegetables. Just like this. And these don't take long to cook. At all. Maybe just a minute, 2 minutes tops. And there you have it you guys. Not even a minute. I think I'm about ready to give you the final serving suggestion. What do you think? I think. Okay guys, and now for the final serving suggestion. We're gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of that delicious beef. And we're gonna remove the ring to showcase our delicious rice. Doesn't that look gorgeous guys? Oh, but it does. And you know me and my serving suggestions. I want to present you with food that looks good enough to eat. okay? Because we eat with our eyes first. And if the food looks appealing, you would want to dig in. If the food looks appalling, you would want to walk away. And I don't want you to walk away from my food because my food is good. So I have to serve it up good, right? Anyway, my dear people, if you decide to try this recipe, let me know how it turns out because you know I'm always interested in hearing from you and I always reply to comments, providing that the comments are not shitty comments and hateful comments because I don't do hate on this channel and neither should you. Shame on you. Anyway, happy cooking, happy eating. Don't add crazy to the craziness. And I will see you when I see you. I love you. Bye.